So how can you turn down the ISO on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So obviously the built-in camera of the iPhone is not that advanced that it has all of the controllers which are built in. So obviously you can select the subject and dial down the exposure or bump it up, but it's not really an ISO in the sense of a DSLR camera. So instead, I would recommend you to get a different camera from the App Store. For example, there is the Blackmagic camera or the Final Cut camera from the Apple developer, right? But inside of for example, the Blackmagic one, you can literally see the ISO as it gets changed in real time as you move your phone. And you can, of course, click on the toggle and just lock it manually, right? So you can literally just select one of the options there and just choose it however you want, and that's just how it's going to stay. So you sort of lock the settings and change the ISO for the videos that you're going to capture. Of course, there are more apps for the camera replacement and those that can get the job done, but this is one of the best one alongside the Final Cut camera from Apple, as I said. So try to explore those options to see if you prefer it or if you like that approach. But that is how you can change the ISO and how you can turn it down. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.